Hey there, guys. This is just a quick video for you guys. Anybody that's got these downdraft, updraft, kitty corner draft, whatever draft carb you want to call these piece of crap. This is the original one. What's going on is the threads in here years ago when I tried to rebuild it and I didn't notice it. The threads are stripped. Well, if anybody has a top cap for these, let me know. This is a 4-bolt for a 16 horse Briggs. But anyways, I was looking at the air passages. There's, you guys can somewhat see right there. There's an air passage and blah blah blah. So I've got both these carbs trying to figure this problem out. Because here's this carb. I cleaned it up again. I mic'd everything. Everything is working. The rods, the passage are the same size on both carbs. Couldn't figure out what was going on. This tractor's this carb's always ran rich. No matter what I do, I could not get it to dial in. Well, further ado, minus the garbage. Well, they got a plastic float. I have nothing against plastic, but you can't adjust the floats. So, in the needle. Well, the camera can show it. The needle's got a wear mark on it. Alright, I was like, okay, that's still not the problem why it's running rich. Well, further ado, I noticed this jet, this I can't, air jet, I can't find the other one I have, but it feels plastic, but it's all screwed up in the tip. So this is anybody that's got buy these Chinese clone carbs. I gotta admit, they did a good job on the body. The jetting on the body, the jetting on the top cap, is perfect. Now where it fell on his face is the jet. Look at that hole. That hole and that hole. Alright. So, down here I got a rebuilt kit because I was going to try to rebuild the other one before I had to buy this one. Well, further ado, this is the new jet for an OEM Briggs. Everything looks right. Looks good. Looks good. Everything looks the same. The two holes are the same. Wait a minute, what's going on here? You guys can see? This is the old one. Big hole. And there's a new one. OEM Briggs. Small hole. So anybody gets these clones, pull your freaking metering rod out. I guarantee you have a big hole and it's supposed to be a small hole. So, further ado, I finally figured out the problem, as I can see. So, let's put the carb back together. Do have a new needle. I'm going with the old style float instead of the plastic float. Why are you tight? Oh, that is strange. Well, that don't make any sense. Unless they're... That's correct. Okay, that's correct. Hmm. I would like to have a tighter fitting pin than a loose fitting pin. And that's why I would prefer tight fitting pin than a loose fitting. You guys, I'm trying to see it a little bit higher than flush. That looks pretty good. I don't like that pin. See, this is the problem about Chinese garbage. Now that float's a little too high. Another problem I was having it was flooding. It was flooding out the bottom of the bowl, leaking on the ground, so you couldn't keep the gas on without the tractor motor running. Yeah, looks pretty decent. I'll be in there in a few minutes, baby girl. So that looks pretty decent. Looks good for me. And it's shutting off too. So there's that. one complete assembly carb again. So we're going to see how this is going to run.